This is Kristin Nicholas at One Big Happy Yarn Company, and today we're going to learn how to make two kinds of mittens.
Oh, it's so much fun to have a guest on set and have them do some of the intros. I usually have to do that part. I'm Sara at One Big Happy Yarn Company, and hanging out with my friend Kristin and knitting these fantastic mittens is a dream come true. I'm so glad she's going to share these with us.
These are really fun mittens. We're going to learn color work. We're going to learn how to make two different kinds of thumbs. We're going to learn how to make two different kinds of tips. And we're starting with this beautiful corrugated ribbing with an edging of a rolled stockinette stitch.
You want to make sure that you pick up a kit at onebighappy.com so you can join us for all of our episodes, and we will have fun knitting.